tonsil is arises from the second pharyngeal pouches, and from the mental aspects of the second pharyngeal pouches, at first it forms a solid mass which gets canalized to form the tonsillar crypts, and it is encroached by the surrounding mesodermal tissues of the adjacent arches also to form the lymphoid tissues, and also the the lymph vessels which is carries, or the blood vessels which carries to the tonsils, also carries the lymphatics to the tonsils to form the final tonsillar palatine tonsillar tissues. Now in the applied anatomy, we may discuss regarding the tonsillectomy operations. As we know, the tonsil is present in the costote of the oropharynx and nasopharynx. It gives the first defense to the obnoxious particles, but sometimes it gets infected itself, and the situations may arises so that tonsillectomy operations has to be done, and these tonsillectomy operations is avoided usually up to the 12 years of the children's, because tonsil is necessary to create the immunity within our bodies, and if it is absolutely necessitated, then one has to perform the operations. During the tonsillectomy operations, one should confirm that the whole the tonsillar tissue has been removed, and and for that reason surgeons is looking for the fibrous capsules, whether it is taken out intact or not. Before the tonsillectomy operations, one should tie all the vessels in very meticulously, particularly the parapharyngeal venous plexus, because tonsillectomy operations is maybe it is commoner operations, not the commoner operations, but not this tying of the vessels is very important, because it may creates the side effects of those operations, that there may be a huge secondary hemorrhage, and the persons may also complain about the loss of taste sensations, because of there is the disturbance of these glossopharyngeal nerves, and as well as the tonsillectomy pain of the tonsil and related fossa may convey to the middle ear cavity, because both of them are supplied by these same glossopharyngeal nerves. All about the tonsils. Thank you.